Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best XL air fryer, the PowerXL Air Fryer 7 QT Max Classic. If you're looking for a versatile, powerful kitchen appliance that can fry, broil, roast, bake, and more, this might just be the perfect fit for your cooking needs. Right off the bat, the PowerXL Air Fryer Max Classic boasts a spacious 7-quart capacity. That means you can easily cook a whole chicken, make up to 23 wings, or prepare 1.75 pounds of fries all at once. Its large non-stick basket with air crisp vents ensures that heat circulates evenly, giving you that golden, crispy finish on every side without needing a lot of oil. It's perfect for anyone wanting healthier meals with fewer calories and less fat. One of the standout features of this air fryer is its powerful 1700-watt rapid air technology. It heats up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, delivering superheated hot air that cooks your food quickly while keeping it crispy and delicious. This technology allows you to enjoy the fried taste and texture without the added calories from deep frying. The PowerXL Max Classic is incredibly user-friendly with its LED digital display and 7-1 touch preset buttons. These presets cover popular cooking modes such as air fry, French fries, broil, roast, bake, shrimp, chicken, and steak. You can also manually adjust the temperature in 10-degree increments, giving you precise control over your cooking. If the control panel ever becomes unresponsive, the manufacturer recommends unplugging the unit for 5 minutes and checking the outlet before trying again. In addition to its cooking versatility, the sleek design of the PowerXL Max adds a modern touch to your kitchen. It features a high-gloss black finish, making it an attractive countertop appliance. Plus, the non-stick coating on the basket makes cleanup a breeze. Just hand wash it to keep it in top condition and avoid using metal utensils or sprays that could damage the surface. The package includes not only the 7-quart fry basket but also a non-stick crisper tray to catch drips, a recipe book developed by PowerXL's test kitchen, and an instruction manual to get you started. For added peace of mind, the product comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee. It's important to remember that this air fryer cooks using hot air only, so you should not fill the basket with oil or frying fat. Also, avoid placing anything on top of the unit during use, as this can interfere with airflow and affect cooking results. In summary, the PowerXL Air Fryer 7 QT Max Classic is a powerful, versatile, and spacious air fryer ideal for families or anyone who loves fried food without the guilt. Its high wattage, user-friendly controls, and included accessories make it a standout choice in the XL air fryer market. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review or found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.